Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can set a reminder for a task into Todoist planning application. So let us begin. Alright, so I launched the Todoist application, as you can see. So what you want to do, guys, is either create a new task by tapping into that plus button in the bottom right corner, but you can also set a reminder for an already created task. So simply go through your calendar here. Let me find a task, let me refresh it, and let me, for instance, go with a task that is already overdue from one of these here, with that subtask here, for example. Tap into it, and what you want to do after that, guys, is let me just change the date, because November 27th was 2 weeks ago. So let me go with tomorrow, and then, guys, what you want to do is simply tap into reminder here to the right. Let me close that comment here. Here to the right, where you see reminder with that clock, tap into it. And then, guys, what you want to do is simply, as you can see, you can't add a reminder without with that membership I am having right now, but that's a section where you can add a reminder. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.